Hello and welcome to Ikishi Letu, where I share Zulu food and recipes. It gives me great joy to let you know that every Sunday I'll be sharing traditional Zulu food. Today it's a Sunday and Sundays are for family and good food. Ngiyanimukela futhi kuleli khasi. Abanye beni bayazi-ke ukuthi eMzansi ngesonto kuyaye kube usuku lomndeni nokupheka kamnandi, kudliwe kamnandi umndeni kujatshulwe ndawonye. Ngakho-ke njalo ngamasonto ngizonilethela ukudla kwesintu okumnandi. So today we'll dive into the world of Istambu. In Xhosa, they call it umngqusho, one of the most cherished Zulu dishes. Istambu is a traditional Zulu dish made primarily from samp. Samp is crushed dried maize and it's mixed with beans. It is a staple food in many South African households, especially in rural areas and during communal gatherings. Stambo is a symbol of togetherness because it's often cooked in large pots and shared amongst family members, reinforcing the spirit of Ubuntu, community, and unity. It's very important for ceremonies. It is commonly prepared during traditional ceremonies, weddings, and funerals, where food plays a vital role in bringing people together. It is also an everyday nourishment food. So many Zulu families enjoy stambo as a daily meal served with various accompaniments like stews and leafy greens. Istambu has been there for many generations. Traditionally, it was slow cooked over a fire. Modern Zulu households have adapted Istambu by using quick cooking samp and ingredients like butter, spices, or cream for extra flavor. Traditional cooking method. Samp is slow cooked with beans over an open fire. A clay pot was used for rich and earthy flavor. It's often cooked without spices, using only salt and water. You just boil samp and beans in water. After that, uyabonda. That is Istambu done. As simple as that. Just like the one you see in this slide. Now I will share a mix of traditional and modern popular version of Istambu. How it's done is you mix samp and beans with spices and some other vegetables for extra flavor. And some people still use open fires to cook it, but most people have modernized and they use gas stoves or electric stoves or electric slow cookers. So here is what you're gonna need to make samp. You'll need samp and beans, water, chopped onions, chopped garlic and spring onion, cooking oil, and beef stock powder. Now, directions on how to cook samp. You can pause the video here if you want to try and cook it, and then you follow these instructions. Here is another way to cook samp. You cook it without beans. And my mom used to call it ikalpense. It's just simple samp, and traditionally it was just samp with salt. And now and nowadays we call it creamy samp. And to cook it, you cook the samp with butter, cream, and milk for smooth and rich texture. For a simple creamy samp, you're gonna need 2 cups of samp, 4.5 cups of water, 1 cup of milk, 4 to 6 tablespoons of butter or margarine, 2 teaspoons of aromat, and a 3/4 teaspoon of parsley. And here are the instructions on how to cook it, so you can pause the video here and try it. There are different ways to serve Istambu. Here in this picture, we had Istambu with nyama yenhloko nenyama yangaphakathi, which is ox head and cow insides. You can also serve it with amanqina. You can add your side salads like coleslaws. You can also serve it with chutney or creamy spinach. You can also serve your samp with your hearty beef stews or chicken curry. Also note that people cook samp in different ways and forms, but it all comes together to give you your samp. And here are the 2 ways I tried. I had my robot peppers with the normal traditional samp. I also tried it creamy with green beans and mushrooms. So it's up to you how you want to try it, and it's good to try different things. Today there are ready mixed samp with beans in stores, and there are also quick cooking samps that is sold in stores that can be ready in 30 minutes. So it's part of modernization, and it helps people, especially if you have been busy the whole day and you suddenly need a quick samp meal. Please note, this is not a paid partnership. I got these photos from Google because I needed to share this information. I have also attached 2 easy to follow Istambu cooking recipes in the description below. Please do check it out. While Istambu is deeply rooted in Zulu tradition, its similarities to other African and international dishes highlights how maize-based meals are a global comfort food. The key difference lies in preparation, textures, and accompanying flavors. But they all serve the same purpose, bringing people together over a warm, nourishing meal. When you feel like having a warm, hearty meal on those cold days, Istambu is your go-to meal. So please do try it out. Please let me know in the comments what and how do you serve Istambu with. And also, if you don't have Istambu in your country, what dish do you have that is similar to Istambu? Please like this video if you love traditional food. Also subscribe for more Zulu food stories and recipes. Happy cooking!